Hello friends, today we are going to see how to handle null values in Oracle. Let's start with an example. I have an example. Select last name, salary, commission, PCT. Here is a function NBL which will convert if the commission PCT is null, it will convert into the 0. So here if I have null commission, then it will convert it into the 0, and if I have not null, then it will return as it is over here. Let's see with another example what will happen if I use direct commission PCT into salary. We have earlier seen that if you use as I said that if you multiply salary into commission PCT, if there is null and salary is not null, it will ultimately return null where expected salary. We have another function NVL2. What NVL2 is does NVL2 accepts NVL2 accept parameter like this commission PCT. If the commission PCT is null, then it will return salary plus commission, otherwise salary. Let's have an example. Here commission PCT is not null, then it will return commission plus salary, and if the commission PCT is null, then it will return only salary. By using NVL2 we can do that. If the commission PCT is null, then return only salary. If there is commission, like here is commission, then we will return salary plus commission, like this. We have another example, another function in Oracle null if for handling null. Here first name, length of the first name, length of the second name, that is last name. I'm checking null if the length of first name and last name is same, then it will return null, otherwise it will return first not null. Let's check an example. Here is my first name, length of the first name, last name, length of the last name. Then if both are same, if the length of first and the second are same, then it will return null. Here is not null, so it will return first. Here in this case, length is mismatching. Here length of first name is 5 and length of last name is 8, so it will return first not null, so it is 5. Here in example we have length of first name and the length of last name is same, then it will return null, right? Like this. We have another function like coalesce. We can use coalesce to return first not null. So here select last name, commission PCT, salary, coalesce commission PCT. If the commission PCT is not null, then it will return commission PCT. If it is null, then it will return salary. If the commission PCT and salary both are null, then it will return 10. Check it. Okay. I missed the comma over here. Let's have so here if the commission PCT is present, then we will return commission PCT, right? If commission PCT is not present, then it will be salary, right? Like this. So the college will return first not null out of given multiple values. The difference between college and null is that it will accept multiple columns. Thank you for watching.